Hello everybody, I'm Sean and this is Cisco.
Hello.
And today we're going to be unboxing the Sapphire Pulse. It's an AMD Radeon RX5700XT graphics card. Now, I'm primarily a console gamer as well as on my Asus gaming laptop that I unboxed earlier on my channel. You can check out the link to that video below. So Cisco's going to be taking over the video from here as this graphics card is improving our main gaming station, which I also use for video editing. So here you go.
Hello, everybody. So this is, again, the Sapphire Pulse. This was incredibly hard to find, and it was the last one in the city. Oh, and I've just dropped it and killed it. It's dead now.
No.
That's it. No, this was the last one in the city as far as I could tell. It's an incredibly powerful graphics card for this time. I'm incredibly excited. Mostly because I'm currently gaming on a GTX 970, which is a couple of years old now. So this will be a pretty big upgrade. I can't speak enough about how excited I am, but we'll give you some tech specs for now. It's got a GPU boost clock, whatever the hell that means. I'm pretty sure that's the top range clock that you can expect from the card, not a sustained clock, which is different, and we'll get into that at some other point in time, probably when I tear down my actual computer, which you can probably catch next week. So it's got 8 gigabytes of DDR6 memory, and yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know. My last graphics card is a dinosaur at this point. We're not going to go over the specs. If you really want to look for it, just Google GTX 970. And break that little seal there. So with the seal broken, we're going to go over some of the key features on the back of the box. So we got RDNA architecture, 2nd generation 7nm GPU, GDDR6 memory, which we already talked about. It's got power efficiency. It doesn't really go into detail on the back of the box, but whatever the hell that means. We've got video streaming up to 8K. I don't have anything in 8K to show you, but I'll show you what it looks like on my 1080p monitor in the teardown of my computer when I install this thing. So we've got display ports. I sure hope it's got display ports. It's got Radeon image sharpening, async compute, Radeon Raise audio plus true audio next, Radeon FreeSync, and 2 HDR. Ooh. Radeon VR Ready Premium. Ooh, it loves the word Radeon. If you cannot tell, it's got premium Radeon things. Radeon software, driver optimizations. I hope it comes with those. And Radeon Boost. So this thing can do a modest amount of overclocking. From what I can tell from other teardowns and reviews, it's not that significant. It's mostly based on the silicone that you get. So good luck. A little blurb on the back. The Sapphire Pulse RX5700XT offers great performance at an affordable price point that every gamer needs, which I definitely need. With quality components and robust digital power design, the Pulse RX5700XT delivers exceptional 1440 performance and high-fidelity gaming powered by AMD's new Extreme RDNA architecture. This is just blab, folks, so if you really want to read it, you can. It's got some little blurbs down here at the bottom, legal, blah, 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 minimum system requirements. You need quite a beefy power supply. I will say 600 watts is quite oof, but I do not have to worry. I've got 1,100 watts in my current computer. DirectX 12 support and some other marketing blurbs, and that's pretty much the whole box. Oof. Let's figure this out. Oof. It's quite a snug little fit. Quite a plain little box here. Not a whole lot to look at on the outside. Just plain cardboard. Oh. Doesn't want to... Oh, here we go. There we go. And as I predicted, not a whole lot. You've got a couple little quick start guides, manufacturer information. Nothing on the other side. This is just a quick start installation guide. Tells you that, yeah, you have to plug it into your computer or it's not going to work.
Oh no.
If you don't know how to do that...
I didn't think I would need another output on my power supply to be able to use this. I thought I could just power it off my motherboard.
No. If this worries you, do not install your own graphics card. Pay somebody else to do it or get the store to do it for you.
So you're not going to read through the whole manual?
Hell no. Okay. We're going to plug this thing in a separate video, but for now...
Over my shoulder it goes.
We don't need that. So, the only other thing in the box is the actual card itself. And before I actually touch this, I'm going to grab myself really quickly. I don't have a strap, unfortunately. That's just kind of how it is. Ooh. So here's the back of the card. It's got a nice little back plate. And there's the front of the card. And we'll get this nice... Where's the edge of... Oh, there it is. I'm sure this is infuriating some people right now. Oh. There we go. So, that is the graphics card completely taken out of the box.
That thing's pretty. That's neat. Doesn't look like they've added any extraneous lighting or anything like that, which is kind of cool. I like it when companies don't waste my money on things that I personally don't need, though I do like the shiny lights that we have in our current computer.
I personally wish this lit up like a unicorn's butthole, but I'm excited.
Well, we all have our differences, and it is your computer and not mine. But that looks like a complete unboxing for you of the Sapphire Pulse graphics card. So why did you pick this graphics card over the other ones that are in the market?
So the difference between this and NVIDIA at this point is AMD is really doing a fantastic job at both their CPU range and their graphics card. My whole build at the moment is AMD. The price point difference between the 2060 and this is, depending on when you're buying them and from where you're buying them, like $150 to a couple hundred Canadian dollars. I'm not going to do the conversion for Americans, unfortunately. We're worth like 1.7. Yeah. Anyway, long story short, I decided to go with this over the NVIDIA cards because it was a little bit cheaper. I don't personally care about ray tracing at the moment. I don't think the technology is worth spending the couple $100 for something that is only in 4 games. And I don't consider a couple extra shadows in a couple extra games to be worth it to spend a couple $100 when the technology probably by like 2022 will be a little bit better, and I might consider a new graphics card if NVIDIA has caught up with the price point of AMD. But for now, I'll ramble more about that in the teardown, I'm sure. But for this week, that's pretty much all I have to say.
And if you guys want to tune in next week, subscribe, like this video, share it, hit the notification button, and then you'll see our teardown of our current computer as we install this graphics card and give ourselves an upgrade. Hopefully it's going to enable us to make a wider range of videos. I want to stream games. I would like to put together some of like me trying a few new games that I haven't played before, or maybe playing the simulators that I play all the time because it's enjoyable. I know Cisco plays a lot of games and might like that too.
Could be fun.
So for now, I guess, have a good night, everybody. Look forward to those future videos, and see you later.
Bye.
Bye.